To connect the bypass jumper, you're going to need to locate the gateway module, which is going to be behind and slightly above the OBD2 port. You will need to remove the two connectors from the gateway module, and for these there's just a clip toward the front of the Jeep that you're going to press in and pull the connector down one at a time. Now that we've removed the connectors from the gateway module, we're ready to install the bypass connector. As you can see, the connectors are two different sizes and will only fit into the bypass module one way. We're just going to line those up, press in each connector until it locks in. Then we can just tuck the bypass connector up behind the panel for a clean look.
Alright, now that we've got the bypass module installed, it's time to go ahead and connect your device to the OBD2 port. Alright guys, for this next step we're going to go ahead and read the factory information from your stock computer. Now here you're going to just make sure that the key is in the run position. I'm going to select Tune Vehicle. Alright, here you'll see the prompt. It's going to tell you that it's already retrieved the information from your factory computer. Just go ahead and hit OK. Alright, that's it for that. Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be showing you how to swap the PCM on your 2018 Jeep JL. First thing we're going to be doing is disconnecting the negative battery terminals, the air intake system, and the PCM. Alright, this is going to be the first step. We're going to disconnect these ground terminals. Alright guys, for the next step here we're going to be disconnecting this sensor, this clamp, and these two bolts. Moving this air intake system out of the way here allows you to gain better access to the PCM connectors. Now you can see with the air intake system out of the way, you've gained better access to the PCM connectors, which we're going to go ahead and remove here. Now that we have the two bolts and the one nut removed, we're able to go ahead and slide the PCM out. And now it's time to install your unlocked PCM. Now that you're ready to reinstall this PCM, just want to make sure that this ground strap here gets reconnected using the bolt that goes through the PCM. Now we're ready to go ahead and install the unlocked PCM. Now that the PCM is installed, it's time to reinstall the air intake system. Now it's time to go ahead and reconnect the battery. Now with the PCM swapped, now it's time to go ahead and reconnect your device to the OBD2 port. Now for this next step, we're going to allow the device to transfer your information from your stock PCM to your unlocked PCM. Go ahead and hit OK at tune. Make sure your ignition is in the run position. Select Tune Vehicle. Turn your ignition off. Select OK. Turn your ignition back to run. Select OK. Now that we've gotten to this point, you could go ahead and select your tune, but what we're going to do here is we're going to hit the left arrow to exit, and we're going to start the vehicle up and make sure there's no DTCs. It's going to ask for the ignition off. Hit OK. Ignition back on in the run position. Hit OK. Alright, we have no warning lights and no DTCs. We are good to go.